So 1934, McQuay-Norris. So McQuay-Norris was a piston ring manufacturer. They made valves and piston rings and engine parts. So they built 6 of these cars, which is really, this is just a regular 1934 Ford flathead V8 chassis drivetrain, and they put special bodies on them, and then they had their salesmen drive all over the United States so people could, it was like an advertising thing. Wow, look at this Zupi car, and they'd stop and ask about it, and that would be a way for them to advertise their products. They made sales calls to all their different dealers, auto parts dealers and stuff that were selling their parts. So I call it the fishbowl effect, because as you can see from the inside, the windshield is way, way up there. Of course, typically in the regular car, the windshield would have been right here and the hood would have been up there. But this car has competed in the great race once, and it really drives exactly like a 34 Ford does.